Instead of telling you to just talk to people, I'll show you how to practice speaking nonetheless. Let's start with the easiest ways to do so and get to the most difficult ones as we go. I have 2 easy options ready. The first one is called shadowing, and it means you listen to someone speaking the language that you want to learn and you repeat what they say out loud almost at the same time. Shadowing is especially good if you freeze when you have to think of what to say, when you're tired, or you just want to speak without a person. How to do it? Type into YouTube search bar shadowing and the name of the language you want to learn. Other way is choosing a short video or audio in your target language that is 30 seconds to 2 minutes long. That is enough, especially at the beginning. It's best if it's the one that you enjoy. You play it once, then you play it again, and as the person speaks, you repeat what they say out loud, just a half second behind them. Don't stop if you make mistakes. Keep going. You'll definitely will get better over time. I do have an extra tip for you to make shadowing more useful and less scary to start with. Do not be afraid to slow it down. You can slow the playback speed of the video to 0.75 or 0.5 at first, and then just gradually increase speed as you get more comfortable. The second lower difficulty tip is talking to yourself, either in your head or aloud. It might feel awkward at first, but once you warm up to it, you'll be happy you did it. So how you do it? The easiest way is describing your actions you are doing as they are happening. Once you get more comfortable, you can talk to yourself about anything. One really important thing, you don't have to speak fully in the language you learn. Even one word in language you are practicing per sentence is celebration worthy. It might sound like, I need to buy some teppich. I am eating a bread. I am eating a breadje. A bread. Let's come up with some other example sentence. Ich möchte to buy some ice cream. I know it's sometimes used for fun, but it can be also a great bridge towards speaking, so do not be afraid to use it.